Hey guys, if you trade stocks, you gotta check out DDAmanda. This is a DDAmanda analysis of advanced voice recognition systems, symbol AVOI. Now, we first noticed this one with a feature of DDAmanda called 8K Spy, which parses all 8K filings and looks for significant phrases. And the phrase that triggered this one was change of control. So anyway, when looking at her, you got a 5 factor here on 420 and then an 11 factor on 424. Now this 8K came out on Friday. So this led to some buying. Not a lot, but it, you know, led to some buying. Um, Now, this company, when we started looking at her, is fully current with the SEC, which means they have audited financials, okay? And looking at the 8K that was filed, here's the SEC site. You can see their filings and all that. But this is the 8K that was filed. Now, somebody, they said an accredited investor, spent $305,000 to buy a bunch of shares, 262 million of them, okay? And the funds were then used to pay off all the company's debts. So right now she doesn't have any debt, all right? And the guy that bought it, they got restricted shares, okay? So they can't be sold. And then, as a result of this buy, they owned almost 53% of the shares, and now there's a change of control to where they're in charge now. Now, the person that bought this, here's a picture of their home. This is a $2 million home in Arizona, okay? Looking at the share structure, okay, here's their authorized and their outstanding. Now, if you'll notice, these are both the same, which means the outstanding is maxed, okay? No new shares can be issued, all right? And here's your float, 76 million held at the DTC, all right? Now, here's another real interesting thing. They have net operating loss of $8.6 million accumulated deficit. Now what that means is that this is a huge tax write-off for whichever company comes into this, merges in, all right? I mean, that's a huge plus. Okay, this is the share purchase agreement. This girl here, Leanne Golf, this is the buyer, JJW Investments out of they're registered in Wyoming, but they have their offices in Gilbert, Arizona. And then this girl here, Leanne Goff, she's the agent, okay? She's done a lot of these before. She knows what she's doing. But this is the actual buyer here, Debbie J. Rasmussen, all right? And she has done some of these before. She's done this before. And here's a company that she did before. This is the one she did before. This is BMSN. It started off way down here at, I don't know, penny or whatever. But look at this. It actually reached 70 cents here. In fact, there was a spike here that went over 80 cents. So this is just a comparison, something to think about that, be still my heart that we go to 80, 70 cents. Wow. But anyway, this girl Rasmussen, she knows her stuff, and you never know. Getting back to looking at the DDAmanda screen on this, there hasn't been a lot of dollars traded yet, and it's mostly been buying. You see these blue bars? The blue is buying, the red is selling. And it's predominantly buying here. On Friday, she cooled off a little bit, The RSI went from 86 to 76, so it's about even here. But there's nothing going through here. People really haven't noticed this one yet. Now we have price targets. One guy came up with price targets of 5 cents, 10 cents, and maybe 25 plus. Okay. I mean, you never know, right? It just depends on how attractive guys find this. Now here's our drag ratio, which is positive 1.65, almost 2, which means she's actually twice as likely to go up as down. This is a proprietary indicator. So the bottom line and the summary right now is we are waiting for an announcement on what they're going to do, and hopefully it'll be something significant, and this thing will really go. So anyway, that's where we're at, and thanks for watching, and that's it. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.